there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to retouch skin in Photoshop. To start, open your image in Photoshop and duplicate the background layer. This is your safety net in case you want to start over. So this is a quick way on how to duplicate a layer. So click on your layer and drag here, and then it will automatically duplicate the layer. So if you want to retouch your skin, select the spot healing brush tool from the toolbar. So this one, the spot healing brush tool. It's great for quickly removing small blemishes and imperfections. With the spot healing brush, simply click on the blemishes or imperfection you want to retouch. For example, this one. Like that. Photoshop will automatically sample nearby pixels to blend and heal the area seamlessly. So there is another way to smoothen your skin. So all you have to do is to click filter here and then select neural filters. Now there is a skin smoothing filter that you can use in Photoshop. All you have to do is to toggle this switch and then adjust the blur and smoothness of your skin using these settings here. See? Now once you're satisfied, click on OK. And then we will see the difference between the before and after. And that's it. You now know how to retouch skin in Photoshop. It's a simple technique to enhance portraits and create smoother, more flawless skin. Before you go, remember the less is often more when it comes to retouching. Natural beauty is what we want to preserve. Thanks for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to retouch skin in Photoshop. See you on my next video.